Welcome back to AI Talk English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex, and guys, I just had the most embarrassing experience at the bank.
Oh no, what happened?
Embarrassed laugh. So I went to open a bank account, right? The banker asked me a simple question, and I just stood there like a statue.
You froze because you didn't know the banking vocabulary?
Frustrated. Exactly. I know English, but banking English? That's a whole different language.
Sympathetic. I totally get it. Banks use specific terms: checking account, savings account, interest rate.
Overwhelmed. Yes. And then they asked about overdraft protection. And I was like, what's overdraft?
See, that's why today's lesson is so important.
Determined. I need to learn this. I can't keep avoiding the bank because of my English.
Confident. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll walk into any bank with confidence.
Hopeful. Really? You'll teach me everything I need to say?
Excited. Everything, from opening accounts to asking about loans, from using ATMs to talking to tellers.
Relieved. Thank God, because next week I need to apply for a credit card and I'm terrified.
Encouraging. After today, you won't be. So everyone watching, if you've ever felt nervous at a bank, this video is for you.
To audience, stick around. We're going to cover everything you need to know.
Warm. Let's make banking in English easy and stress-free.
Motivated. Let's do this. No more embarrassing bank visits.
Okay, Alex, let's start with the basics. Opening a bank account.
Yes, because that's literally what I struggled with yesterday.
When you walk into a bank, go to the customer service desk and say, "Hello, I'd like to open a bank account, please."
I'd like to open a bank account. Simple. But then what?
They'll ask, "What type of account would you like?" Now, this is important. There are two main types.
Two types? I thought a bank account is just a bank account.
No, there's a checking account and a savings account. Very different.
Wait, what's the difference?
A checking account is for everyday use, paying bills, buying things, using your debit card.
Oh, so it's for regular spending.
Exactly. And a savings account is for saving money long term. It earns interest.
Interest? That's when the bank pays me a little bit for keeping my money there?
Yes. So if you put $1,000 in savings, after a year, you might have $1,020.
Free money. I like that.
Not really free, it's your money growing, but yes.
So I say, I'd like to open a checking account for everyday use and a savings account for long-term savings.
Perfect. That sounds so professional.
But then they'll ask for documents, right? What do I say?
They'll say, "I'll need to see some identification. Have your passport or driver's license ready."
And probably proof of address too, right?
Yes. Say, "Here's my passport and a recent utility bill for proof of address."
Okay, that's not so scary. I can do this.
Now, let's learn the banking vocabulary that confused you yesterday.
Yes, please, because there were so many words I didn't understand.
First, balance. This is how much money you have in your account.
So if someone asks, what's your balance, they mean, how much money do you have?
Exactly. You can say, "I'd like to check my balance at the bank or ATM."
Can you tell me my current balance, please?
Next, deposit. This means putting money into your account.
So I want to deposit $500 means I'm adding money?
Perfect. And the opposite is withdrawal, taking money out.
I'd like to withdraw $200 from my checking account.
Great. Now here's one that confused you. Overdraft.
Yes, what is overdraft?
Overdraft is when you spend more money than you have in your account.
Wait, the bank lets you do that?
Sometimes, but they charge you a fee. It's expensive.
So I should avoid overdraft.
Absolutely. Always know your balance before spending.
Curious, what about overdraft protection?
That's when the bank automatically transfers money from your savings to checking if you overdraft.
Oh, so it prevents the overdraft fee?
Exactly. It's a safety net. And guys, stay tuned because we're about to learn the most important phrases for talking to bank tellers. Okay, now let's practice real conversations with bank tellers.
Yes, because I always feel awkward at the teller window.
When it's your turn, approach and say, "Good morning, I'd like to make a deposit, please."
Good afternoon. I need to deposit this check.
Perfect. Polite and clear. They'll ask, "Which account?"
My checking account, please, or my savings account.
If you're depositing cash, say, "I'd like to deposit $300 in cash."
And if it's a check?
Say, "I'd like to deposit this check," and hand them the check.
What if I need to cash a check instead?
Say, "I'd like to cash this check, please." That means you want the money in cash, not deposited.
Oh, so deposit goes into account, cash means I get physical money.
Exactly, you're learning fast.
I'd like to withdraw $500 in cash from my checking account.
Perfect. Now, what if you need to break a large bill?
Break a bill? Like break it into pieces?
No, it means exchange one large bill for smaller bills.
Oh, so if I have a $100 bill and need smaller bills.
Say, "Could you break this $100 bill? I'd like 5 $20 bills, please."
That's so useful. I always wondered how to ask that.
See? Banking English isn't so scary. Now let's talk about using ATMs, automated teller machines.
Oh, I use ATMs all the time, but I don't always understand the screens.
First, when you insert your card, it'll say, "Enter your PIN."
PIN is my password number, right?
Close. PIN stands for Personal Identification Number, your secret 4-digit code.
Right, like 1234. Wait, that's a terrible PIN.
Never use 1234. That's the first thing thieves try.
Good point. What comes after PIN?
The screen will show options: withdrawal, deposit, balance inquiry, transfer.
Balance inquiry means checking how much money I have.
Exactly. And transfer means moving money between accounts.
So I could transfer $200 from checking to savings?
Yes, just select Transfer, choose From Checking to Savings, and enter the amount.
What if the ATM says insufficient funds?
That means you don't have enough money in your account for that withdrawal.
Oh no, that's awkward.
It happens. Just try a smaller amount or check your balance first.
Good advice.
And coming up next, we're going to learn how to apply for loans and credit cards. Don't go anywhere. Sometimes you need to ask about bank services. Let's learn how.
Yes, because banks offer so many services and I'm confused.
To ask about any service, say, "Could you tell me about your blank services?"
Could you tell me about your loan services?
Perfect. Or, "Do you offer blank?" Like, do you offer mobile banking?
Do you offer online banking? Do you offer wire transfers?
Great. Now let's learn about fees.
Fees? The bank charges for things?
Yes, that's why you must ask about fees. Say, "What are the fees for this account?"
So I should ask before opening an account?
Always ask, "Is there a monthly maintenance fee? Are there ATM fees? Is there a minimum balance requirement?"
What's the monthly fee for a checking account? Do you charge for using other banks' ATMs?
Excellent questions. This saves you money.
What about interest rates on savings?
Ask, "What's the interest rate on a savings account?" Or, "What's the APY?"
APY? Another banking term?
Annual percentage yield. Basically, how much your money grows in a year.
So higher APY means more money for me?
Exactly. always compare APY between banks.
Smart. I'm becoming a banking expert.
Now let's talk about loans and credit cards. This is important.
This is what I'm worried about. I need to apply for a credit card next week.
Don't worry, let's practice. First, approach the banker and say, I'm interested in applying for a credit card.
I'd like to apply for a credit card. What are my options?
They'll ask about your income and credit history. Be honest.
What if my credit history isn't good?
Say, I'm working on building my credit, or I'm new to this country and don't have credit history yet.
So I can be honest about it?
Yes, they can suggest starter credit cards or secured cards.
What's a secured card?
You deposit money, like $500, and that becomes your credit limit. It helps build credit.
So it's like a safety deposit?
Exactly. Now, important questions to ask about credit cards.
Ready. Tell me everything.
Ask, what's the APR? That's the interest rate if you don't pay in full.
Is there an annual fee? What are the late payment fees?
Yes, and ask, is there a rewards program? Some cards give cash back or points.
Free rewards? I like that.
Not free, you earn them by spending, but yes, it's nice.
What rewards does this card offer? How do I earn points?
Perfect, you're asking all the right questions.
Guys, stick around. We're about to learn how to handle banking problems and complaints.
Sometimes things go wrong with your bank account. Let's learn how to handle it.
Like, what kind of problems?
Unauthorized charges, wrong fees, lost debit card. These things happen.
What do I do if I see a charge I didn't make?
Call the bank immediately and say, I see an unauthorized charge on my account. I didn't make this purchase.
There's a suspicious transaction on my account. Can you help me?
Perfect. They'll investigate and likely refund you.
What if I lost my debit card?
Call immediately. Say, I lost my debit card. I need to cancel it right away.
So they can freeze it before someone uses it.
Exactly. Time is critical.
My card was stolen. Please freeze my account immediately.
Good. Now, if you're charged a wrong fee, say, I was charged a fee that I don't understand. Can you explain this?
I believe this fee was charged by mistake. Can you waive it?
Great. Polite but assertive. Sometimes they will waive fees if you ask.
Really? Just by asking?
Not always, but it's worth trying. Be polite and explain your situation.
I can do that.
These days, most banking is done online or on your phone.
Yes, I want to learn those terms too.
When setting up online banking, you'll need to create a username and password.
That's pretty standard, right?
Yes, but banks also use security questions like, what's your mother's maiden name?
For extra security. Got it.
Many banks now use two-factor authentication or 2FA.
What's that?
They send a code to your phone that you enter along with your password, double security.
Oh, so hackers can't get in even if they know my password.
Exactly. Always enable 2FA.
How do I set up two-factor authentication? Can you help me enable 2FA?
Perfect. Now, mobile banking terms. Mobile deposit means taking a photo of a check to deposit it.
Wait, I can deposit checks with my phone?
Yes, just take a picture of both sides and it deposits automatically.
That's so convenient.
You can also transfer funds, pay bills, and check your balance all from your phone.
Banking has gotten so much easier.
All right, Alex, how do you feel about going to the bank now?
So much better. I actually feel prepared now.
That's great. Let's recap what we learned today.
We learned how to open accounts, talk to tellers, use ATMs, ask about services.
We covered applying for credit cards, handling problems, and using online banking.
And all the vocabulary: deposit, withdrawal, balance, overdraft, PIN, APR.
You learned so much. You're ready for any banking situation.
Thank you, Emma. Next week, when I apply for that credit card, I won't be nervous.
You're going to do great. Just remember, be polite, ask questions, and don't be afraid to ask for clarification.
And everyone watching, banking English is not scary once you know these phrases.
If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to AI Talk English.
Let us know in the comments, what's your biggest challenge at the bank?
Share your stories. We can all learn from each other.
No more awkward bank visits.
You've got the vocabulary, you've got the confidence.
Time to go make some deposits of knowledge.
Alex, that was terrible.
I tried.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone.
Take care of your money and your English.
Bye, everyone.